Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how a project manager can view all the requests raised by him or her, and also how a resource manager can view all requests and access the details view of the same. In order for a project manager to view all the requests raised by him or her, he or she need to navigate to the team members section within the required project. He or she can also view the details and approval timeline for the same. As the resource manager, the user can view all the requests raised across projects by navigating to the People Allocation app. In order to perform any activity, the user should click on the required allocation request. The details view of the same is displayed. In the allocation section, the resource manager can view the suitable matches for allocation by toggling on the smart suggestions. If the user is not satisfied, then the button can be toggled off and all available resources are listed. Thank you for watching.